Alright, let's dive into something that's been buzzing in my mind lately, the hidden heat cost of data centers. You know those massive server farms that power everything from your Netflix binge to AI chatbots? Turns out, they're not just energy hogs, they are also creating local heat islands, raising temperatures by up to 2 degrees Celsius. And no, this isn't just a niche issue, it's a big deal for the environment, public health, and communities nearby. So, let's break this down. First off, what makes this really interesting is how it ties into the AI boom. Personally, I think we're so focused on the cool stuff AI can do, like generating art or predicting trends, that we're overlooking the physical infrastructure it relies on. Data centers are popping up everywhere to meet this demand, but here's the kicker, even if they are powered by renewable energy, they still release massive amounts of heat. It's like having a giant radiator in your backyard, but instead of warming your home, it's heating up the entire neighborhood. One thing that immediately stands out is the scale of this issue. A single 100 megawatt data center emits heat equivalent to 67,000 air conditioners running 24/7. If you take a step back and think about it, that's insane. And it's not just about discomfort, this heat affects ecosystems, public health, and even electricity consumption. For instance, when temperatures rise, people crank up their ACs, which in turn increases energy demand. It's a vicious cycle. What many people don't realize is that this thermal pollution isn't just a local problem, it's part of a bigger trend. Urban heat islands are already a thing, caused by buildings, cars, and ACs. Data centers are amplifying this effect, especially at night when other heat sources die down. This raises a deeper question. Are we designing these facilities with their long-term impact in mind? Or are we just reacting to immediate needs without considering the consequences? From my perspective, the solution isn't to stop building data centers. Let's be real, we're not giving up AI anytime soon. But we need smarter planning. For starters, why not locate these facilities in areas where the heat can be repurposed? Imagine using that waste heat to warm buildings or industrial processes. It's not just about reducing harm, it's about turning a problem into an opportunity. A detail I find fascinating is how Israel is grappling with this. On one hand, they are pushing to build more data centers, but on the other, they've hit pause due to concerns about the electricity grid. This tension highlights a broader issue: how do we balance technological progress with environmental sustainability? It's not just Israel's problem, it's a global one. What this really suggests is that we need to rethink how we approach infrastructure. Personally, I think we're too focused on short-term gains and not enough on long-term impacts. If we're going to keep building data centers, we need to treat them like any other industrial project, with rigorous environmental assessments and innovative solutions. Underground facilities, liquid cooling, buffer zones, these aren't just buzzwords, they are necessary steps. Closing thought, as we chase the next big tech breakthrough, let's not forget the physical footprint we're leaving behind. Data centers are a prime example of how innovation can have unintended consequences. The question is, are we willing to address them head-on? Or will we keep treating these issues as afterthoughts? Let me know what you think in the comments, I'm curious to hear your take.